The main thing about the political science department at Washburn is that it is teaching focused and student focused. So we don't have professors hiding in their office working on their research, avoiding students. We're the opposite. So political science professors are passionate about what they're teaching about. They love interacting with students. So if that's what students want, it's certainly a great department to be in. Okay. Our professors are mentoring students, and in the classroom, of course, in terms of any help they might need in a particular class. But our professors are also mentoring them on other activities they may want to undertake, study abroad, internships, independent projects. Whatever the case, they can talk to their political science advisor or any of the professors in the department. The other thing is the department has been blessed with the financial resources to support students as they're undertaking different opportunities. So we have dedicated scholarships that go towards students for study abroad. We literally have a dedicated scholarship that funds a stipend for up to 5, 6, sometimes 8 students to intern in the state legislature in the spring. And so, again, we've been blessed to have these resources, but what it means is that students sometimes don't have to choose between their part-time job and interning in the legislature. We can try to make up some of that difference in terms of money with our scholarships. So we're really pleased to be able to do that. Well, the Washburn University Political Science Department is also experiential focused. So the Political Science Department has a lot of programs that are based on students getting hands-on experience. For example, internships and study abroad are really popular in the department and heavily focused on. And so, one of the key aspects is that Washburn is in Topeka, Kansas, which is the state capital. So there's a lot going on in terms of political science in the state capital. It's just nonstop. We're talking elections, we're talking the legislature, we're talking nonprofit groups, we're talking lobbyists. So a huge portion of Washburn political science students are doing internships in various capacities, which is something we strongly encourage. Washburn sends more interns to the state legislature than any university in the entire state of Kansas. There's all kinds of internships. It doesn't have to be in the state legislature. There's internships with lobbying firms. There's numerous internships on campaigns. Those are very popular. And actually, Washburn students are sought after by political campaigns to help them out and be interns. And of course, in the Department of Political Science, we strongly encourage study abroad. So we have 2 dedicated programs in our department. One goes to Japan, short-term study for 3 weeks, and the other goes to Western Europe, which is also a short-term program. And we have experiential classes where students go to Iowa every 4 years and interact with presidential candidates. So we have classes that are really hands-on in public administration, which is also a degree that we offer in the political science department. And we have hands-on classes, especially in terms of elections and lobbying and all sorts of things involving political science. What a political science or public administration degree is, it's a liberal arts degree that teaches people how to think and question and analyze and write. So a survey done a few years ago of our graduates found that 50% went into private industry or the private sector, 25% went to law school or some form of graduate school, and then 25% did go into government or nonprofits or lobbying or politics. So Washburn and the Political Science Department is a great place for students who are interested in pre-law and want to go to law school. Not only does the department have a dedicated pre-law advisor, but Washburn features what's called the LEAP program, in which a student can spend 3 years as an undergrad and in that 4th year leap into Washburn Law School. So it's a pretty cool program, and it really affords a student the ability to get into law school while students in other universities are still spending their 4th year getting their BA. So the LEAP program is really a great opportunity for those students who really know they want to go to law school to really get going and get there pretty quickly. Employers and government officials really like our graduates because they're flexible, they're adaptable, many of them are smart, and they can adapt to whatever job it is they're applying to.